Hi, good morning, friends. Today, the 1st October 2021. As per the norms of India Meteorological Department, January February is called as winter season. March April May is called as summer season. June July August September is called as southwest monsoon season, and October November December is called as post monsoon season or retreating monsoon season or northeast monsoon season. As the season has commenced from yesterday, this is statistically. Now whatever the rainfall that is measured from today 8:30 morning 8:30, this rainfall is considered as the northeast monsoon season's rainfall. But the onset of northeast monsoon is generally around 20th October. So today I am going to talk about the southwest monsoon as well as the upcoming northeast monsoon. Southwest monsoon, the long range forecast of India Meteorological Department suggested that it will be somewhere near normal. But we had very tense moments during the monsoon season because the normal monsoon rainfall over the country is 880.6 millimeter, and the actual one, the realized rainfall, is 874.6. So that is a departure of minus 0.7%. The realized rainfall is 99.3% to the normal. There was very good rainfall during the month of June and poor rainfall during the first part of July. The second half of July had good rainfall. The entire August was bad, and the entire September was very good. This long range forecast for the year 2019 and 2020 was very an underestimated forecast. We actually realized more than what was expected. Even now, the monsoon conditions are still there. So the upcoming northeast monsoon, how it will be, when it will commence, how much quantum of rainfall we expect. So for this, many people are asking these questions. However, the forecasts are given through computer modeling. So we have to give the input data and integrate it for the next 3 months and give us, from that we should interpret what can be the rainfall. The model running capability is available with very few institutions in India. India Meteorological Department is one such department which is having the capability. The Tamil Nadu Agricultural University at Coimbatore also is having that facility. Both of them are still to release their northeast monsoon forecast. there are so many other companies, institutions which are giving these forecast for northeast monsoon season, and they are all telling near normal rainfall or just more than normal rainfall will be there during northeast monsoon season. So now I will try to answer. This is purely my opinion. This is not an official version, that we should remember. With whatever little knowledge I have, I am giving this forecast. When northeast monsoon will commence? First I will try to answer the question. So for that, we should see the synoptic situations which is available now. So I am showing you the synoptic situation of today. So you can see the pointer. You can see the pointer. There is a circulation here. Jharkhand, Gangetic, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, in this area there is a circulation. Also, the remnants of tropical cyclone Gulab, which has entered into the Arabian Sea, this is also there somewhere near the Pakistan coast. So both are influencing the weather of North India. So this situation is continuing for still few more days, that is up to 3rd. The circulation over Uttar Pradesh is still lingering till 3rd October. But around that time, there is a likely formation of one cyclonic circulation of Tamil Nadu coast. So I hope you are able to see the pointer. There is a circulation. This is on 4th. This is on 4th October. So there is a circulation due to which very good rainfall can occur on 3rd October and 4th October. So after this spell, we have to wait for the southwest monsoon to withdraw from the entire country, and then the northeast monsoon has set in over South Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. It may take time around October 20th. So now as of today, the forecast is up to 8th October. We are having forecast up to 10th October. So by 10th October, almost the wind pattern is returning to northeast monsoon conditions, but still we may have to wait for few more days. I hope around October 20th, northeast monsoon will set in over Tamil Nadu. This year's rainfall during northeast monsoon will be above normal. This is what is my expectation. I have a reason for this, because we had a very good rainfall during 2015. More than very much more than normal. We can call it as excess. But after that, 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, these 5 years, we had either less than normal rainfall or normal rainfall or just more than normal rainfall. So the statistics curve cannot go like this. If you have a peak and if you have a trough, it has to rise. So I expect this year the rainfall will be more than normal. So we are likely to have a very good rainy season from October to December. Let us see what happens. We will analyze this again in January, our forecast. Okay. Thank you.